know, people have been giving us flack that we do things like put engines and cars in parking lots in the middle of nowhere, and then there's no burnouts. So here we go. Get some, yeah! It's the best of both worlds, really. I mean, right now, it's just ultimate comfort and luxury.
And the convenience of all the power features.
Yeah, and then just at the drop of a hat, it becomes a dirt track car.
Yeah?
You haven't noticed that?
No. Wow. Oh, nice swing. Oh, that was pretty good. Wow, it floats through those maneuvers like a 70s superhero cop show.
Of course it does.
Well, I'm gonna claim that the Gargantuan dominated, even if Lucky did outrun it in the drag race, by a lot. But really, what the wagon proves is you need to get out there, buy a cheap old car, fix it up, and don't be precious with it. Thrash it around, have some fun, because that's what Roadkill Garage is all about.
Oh, I shouldn't laugh. Because every time I do, I eat dirt. That fine Corinthian leather, not so supple anymore.
Ah, it's perfect. It's finally broken in. You sold me on the Viper.
Well, let's see if you own it. You might own this piece.
This thing took a beating better than the other cars. You stuffed that nose over there. I mean, bad. And it's fine.
It's a Viper.
Road tested.
I told you it's just
Roadkill
like a Jeep.
approved, right here.
It is just like a Jeep. A Jeep with
Good job,
very
Dodge.
little
Good
ground
job.
clearance. I'm not paying for that detail job.
There might be a little dirt inside. Oh yeah, look at that seat. The
Dude, you
bucket
could
seat
start
is
a
a bucket of sand.
You could start a garden with all the dirt that's inside that car right now.
Can I take it home?
Yeah.
See ya! I believe Fred is unfamiliar with the concept of rev limiter.
I may have hydroplaned a little bit.
The rodson's stuck. I can't get this thing in gear. Thing's not running right. Oh, it died! And the Rotson wins! It's dead! Rotson wins again!
I've never done mud donuts before. You know what we just made?
A mess?
Chocolate donuts.
I planned to win that. This stupid thing wouldn't even do that.
Ready, Freiburger?
Ready for this?
Yeah.
insane.
Everything seem okay?
I don't know. Do you think we lost oil pressure? What's going on here?
We threw a belt.
Yeah.
That's what happened. Straight down. Oh, good one.
Yeah, I think you want to hit a little faster than that.
Oh my god.
I hear him laughing from here.
Oh my god, that was crazy.
Go fast, go fast, go fast, go fast, go faster. There it is. How's your back?
Ah, that hurts a little. Why do we keep landing on flat?
I say, let's go blow tires. There we go.
I hope the door doesn't open.
So we're here doing donuts in the dirt, and the local water truck comes by, and we actually talked him into watering our track.
And look at that. Man, it's going to be just slippery.
Oh,
Clean.
Awesome. How does that even happen?
Big Louie.
Big Louie. Well, they're grooming our racetrack. Let's talk a little bit about my
service.
philosophy on the crew cab Chevelle.
Okay.
My actual visual aid. Check this out. Now, we got some free parts because we are who we are. We had a carburetor sitting around. We got Optima battery, of course, stuff like that. If you bought all of that stuff new that we got free, it adds a lot of money. It's $4,180. I added up every single dollar that we truly in real life spent to build this thing. Go through the list. $2,338 for the entire car as you see it sitting here, as you saw it thrashing out there on the dirt. But ignore that, because in the real world, you would have done things differently. Instead of pulling a $300 carburetor off the shelf, you would have rebuilt the one that Hector gave us for $25. Go through all of that stuff where you could have saved money, and it's $21.91. So for $2,200, you can have the world's best off-roading, daily driving, quiet cruising, soft riding crew cab Chevelle.
That's a lot of qualities, isn't it?
I know.
Yeah.
And all win.
Yeah.
Let's go thrash some more now that we got a track.
I'm convinced.
Yeah. Pretty nice. Could have been better. There you go. Oh yeah. Yeah! This is almost as fun for the passenger seat. Yeah! See? And that's why you want to build garbage like we do on Roadkill Garage. DJ. All right. Yes! Yes! Got it! Ah! Yeah! Woo-hoo! Look at that! Check it out! Right there! Yeah!
Oh, my back. Victory hurts.
Dude!
Oh, that was dumb.
Dude, you dragged that hitch so far! Wow! No way that the small block
stock Chevy would do burnouts this good.
How good?
Pretty good,
It's 455 power, baby.
especially for a 2-speed transmission. This thing makes way more power as a stock 455 than the stock 350 Chevy did.
Oh yeah, it puts this car in a whole different league.
Not to mention
Donuts?
donuts.
Oh.
They can't see us anymore.
Yeah.
The cops couldn't find us. Our smoke screen went away.
Oh, did you feel the shift in the gear?
Yeah.
Thank you.